Christoph! Christoph!
Was?
Geh mal vor!
Patrick! Bin hier!
Ja, große Feld!
12 Uhr, 40 Meter!
Hey guys!
You are in the village. Go away. You see this? You are in the village.
One moment! Okay. They shoot our guys here. They shoot our guy here.
Okay, he's not dead. Don't shoot at them.
Medica Kasaku!
If you want to fight them, go 50 meters.
Okay, then make the safe position for the village. Because they make shooting for our guys who are here.
Okay.
10 meters near the village. Now we'll push them and you'll be safe. The village will be safe. We know it.
Just don't shoot from a village center, okay?
Yes, we know. But because they make the first fire.
I understand, but if you shoot at them, they will shoot at us, okay?
Yes, we know it, yeah. They shoot first one.
So we are now at the base, the PMC base, I don't know. Can you tell us something about your team here?
Okay, so basically, if you need something done, come to us. PMCs, got enough people, we got the stuff, we got the guts,
And money. You need the money.
and all we need is your money.
Okay.
And then everything can be done.
And how is it going today?
Yeah, it's been going quite well. We managed to secure the whole city. City's under our control, and we hope that it stays that way. We're on good terms with all sides, and definitely, I mean, we will keep order in Alisi, and that's the way we want to have it.
Okay, so you are the best.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amateur.
No? No to,
Boże, du fandest da nigdy nie
Was
So etwas müssen Soldaten machen.
Was passiert jetzt?
Ja.
Das ist ein Arsch ab.
Grazie dole.
Grazie dole.
Shit, was kriegst du denn?
Mat. Što bude?
Pudrovačka.
Dawaj.
Vieš na to.
Hlavne zozadu.
Kto z nás dá spredu?
Dobre.
Das gefällt mir irgendwie nicht.
Don't the children come?
Rzutówka, w pochodzie. Zaraz zajebiemy na tym szczytowi. Musimy jeździć do zupełnie, w sensie najlepiej na ofy. Mamy teraz nie chcą.
Rokai, iš tos pusės dar 11.
just going to the city.
Okay, I know where to find you, so here, welcome, guest in our house.
So task force here in this place can have magazines because I was allowed.
Okay, just tell me, between you and me, are you strong in the city or are the PMCs?
Well, we are not strong. We are just few guys, and of course we are not strong.
Marty? Tě přeruším. Tady ti pobíci, že jsou prý nějací PMCs a že můžou nosit zásobníky.
Jenom čtyři lidi tam vzadu, ty s těma hvězdama. Excuse me. You.
Co já jsem od Rateku si nechal poslat hlavej. Já nevím, jak se tam dostanu, jak se to rozmoutne. Nějaké akci dělá. Zatím to by mě trošku dál.
Oh Mann. Was hast du denn da ausgesucht, Ludwig?
Keine Ahnung.
Irgend so ein Humba?
Ja. I like it.
Jungs,
Thank you.
seid ihr fertig? Ludwig, bist du fertig?
Was echtes Tattoo.
It's hurt.
Warrior.
Okay.
Good.
Ja, den Hand kannst du auch gleich beweisen. Amazing skills.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm afraid this passage is spade for you to come have some gift or anything you can share with me.
What do you want?
I don't know.
Okay, everything's fine, guys. Goodbye. Bye. Thanks. Yeah, hungry.
Neser se na něj! Nešaudyt! Nešaudyt! Mes esam kaimo teritorija!
Ти не сеймувала, чоловіче?
Дроми, казаки, нешаудит, кол не pasitrauksim iš kaimo teritorijų!
Hey guys, don't fight them here, okay? Just go away from the village, take it if you want to fight them.
12 Fuß, 12 und 3. Warum ist einer?
Okay, now it's okay.
Kom på en Fahnenstellung!
Ja, hab ich. Dig.
Wenn wir gegen gereicht wird, so, wir müssen weiter vor. Geil! Immer so zeig! Bitte ist zum Arsch!
Nice.
Wohin fahren wir eigentlich?
Ich hab die geringste Ahnung. Ich hab nicht da, wohin soll.
Okay.